so welcome back to my channel. So before we get started on this look right here, this tutorial is featuring the Morphe 39A artistry palette. This palette is like, honestly, I wasn't expecting it to be as pigmented as it is. As you can see, like, these colors showed up on my skin tone pretty well. I was very surprised. So you get 39 shades. And then these middle shades right here, these are all transition shades. So you get full-size palette sizes of the transition shades, and then you have all these eyeshadow palettes to choose from. This is probably the best palette that I've ever bought. I think I'm gonna be using this a lot in upcoming videos, aside from my Perception palette, because y'all know that's my shit. But this palette is like amazing. So I definitely think that after watching this video, y'all better go to morphebrushes.com, buy this shit, because it's worth every single dollar and penny, shipping and handling, that you will pay. And then today I'm also featuring these lashes from Shavon Allure collection. I actually won these in a giveaway and I wanted to feature them in my video. I have them on right now and these lashes are amazing. I'm in love. So yeah, so keep on watching for the tutorial. I'm gonna stop talking because now I just feel like I'm rambling. But yeah, thanks for watching.
Money. 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 Money.